Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm going to get into profile maintenance today. I can't stress enough this profile building and how it's a cornerstone of the foundation that you're building for your organic reach and your paid reach later on. Okay. So what we're going to do, the idea is you get up to 5,000 friends on Facebook. And if you're reaching, engaging with, and doing business with all 5,000 of those friends, I can guarantee you that you're going to be somewhere in life where exactly where you want to be doing what you want when you want to do it. Facebook knows that, experts know that all it takes is 5,000 friends. So our goal here is to be constantly refining this list with potential customers that are going to be your customer or bring you customers because of who they are and how good of business that you did with them. All right, so we always want to be constantly rebuilding. So just remember to go through. And what I like to do, I like to go through and I like to see everybody that I've done business with so far. Um, Everybody gets added, and then I want to see who I haven't and trying to keep track. And it's hard to keep track of when your number's up here, but just because your number's up there doesn't mean your profile is done or even should be anything like what it is. It takes a lot of refining, especially in the beginning, because we just start adding people, and usually we have the wrong people on our profiles to begin with. But you'll notice a shift and a change when you're doing business from your profile and advertising to your profile when you start building that profile with your target customer. All right, big difference. So we want to go through, and I go through and I get rid of people who shouldn't even be on my profile, who's never going to do business with the exception of some friends and some family, as I preach in video after video. All right, on the next one, we're going to talk a little bit. Well, we're not going to talk about it. I'm going to show you a software that you can use, and it's free to go in. It'll scan all your friends and it'll show everyone who's active. And you can also remove friends just right there all at one time. Okay. We'll get into that a little more in the next training.